I'm John Edelman. I'm the controller at WB Manufacturing in Thorpe, Wisconsin. We're located or do business in all of North America. We have about 12 sales reps strategically located throughout the U.S. And we're really trying to grow the business, and we're trying to put in processes to allow us to grow our business without adding a lot of additional overhead and complexities. We're off to a record year, and one of my goals working with the WB manufacturing team is to put processes in place and build the foundations to grow our business. That includes both software, the lean manufacturing side, and also the growth of team members. I've been through a lot of ERP implementations. I think I've done 6 or 7 of those worldwide now. A lot of software. This is the 3rd travel and entertainment and out-of-pocket reimbursement program I've done. And SAP Concur has been the most user-friendly and straightforward one that I've worked with. With the SAP Concur virtual activation, working with the SAP activation coach, Rob, he laid out the go-forward plan. We had project meetings, we talked about it. Very task-orientated. It was very nice because you'd walk through a module and then you get into the hands-on and you could update your information. Rob did a phenomenal job of preparing us for that with what information we'd have to have. We had a very unusual GL code, which actually a couple of the other companies had very similar to ours. So we had to do a little bit of work on that, and we bounced ideas off each other and learned some best practices from other companies, which was always useful. The SAP Concur, getting it up and going from I think the first time we met with Rob has been less than 3 months. And we are fully up and operational at this point in time. That's including setting up the system, getting everybody in there. We tested it for about 6 weeks, ran different scenarios. It was very process oriented and very streamlined. It was very user-friendly and very intuitive to our end users. SAP Concur allowed us to work with our activation coaches and also other clients going through the same processes to implement best practices. We went through team member training on Monday, and our team members are already submitting expense reports. So it's extremely user-friendly and intuitive. We are anticipating doubling our sales in the next 3 years. So we'll have more team members needing to do the travel and entertainment and out-of-pocket modules and get reimbursed on their expenses sooner. So it's going to allow us to scale our business without adding a lot of additional overhead to process employee reimbursements. If you're going to implement a out-of-pocket and travel and entertainment, definitely take a look at this. This is one that the return on investment is amazing.